This is the NQ722BD. This is a Macless unit, a 1-DIN unit, digital one, with DSP, 25 bands equalizer, and a time alignment built-in. On the front, we have a USB reader, aux input, Bluetooth built-in for streaming music and calls. It's a detachable faceplate. It's a Macless unit. On the back, we have ISO harness, AM and FM tuner, 6 pre-outs, 4 for speakers and 2 for subwoofers, external microphone inputs, and steering wheel input also. Comes with the ISO harness and the remote controller. As you can see, this is very complete head unit. It has RDS with AM and FM tuner, and I'll show you how to pair the Bluetooth. You just need to go and check for the unit, you have to look for it, then you just check it here so you can pair, then you put it aloud. It's in Portuguese, sorry. I don't have a phone in English, so I can show it to you, but it's very simple. I will translate it also. Then you can download the app, the NAKAMICHI app, that you control everything in the radio. It's already connected here. You can change the volume here on the app, and you can see also on the radio that it's changing. You can go here for the equalizer. You can zoom in for the different ones, and you can do it yourself if you want, so you can have a better experience in your car. Here again, you can go, let me put it here, fade balance, time alignment for the DSP. You can change it between the various positions for the sound stage. In here, you can set the different crossover points. You can set this radio for active 1. You can put the front speakers for the mid-range, and you can put the back speakers as the tweeters, and you can tune it up for an active play. The app is also a remote controller for the head unit, and you can travel between the USB. If I had a USB pen here, you would control it on the app. You can control the radio here. Getting back, you can get the control for the phone music in here. You can control here, the volume here, and you also can control the music on the phone here. Going back, you can get access to the navigation through Google Maps. And the very neat thing, you can control the color of the radio. I'm going to show you that you can control everything at the color that matches the car or the one you like. Also going to make a call so you can see the phone quality. I'm going to call my wife. This has a built-in mic, but you can plug also an external microphone. In this case, I'm using the built-in microphone. Hi, Luisa. Hi. Trying the new Bluetooth on the new head unit, the NAKAMICHI 722BD. Are you listening me? It's okay, the call?
Yeah.
I'm getting a bit louder for you to feel it. Is there any lag or any interference on the call?
No, any lag.
It's so good. So thank you. Bye bye.
Bye bye.
As you could see, the call was perfect. We could hear the other person on the other side, and the other person on the other side could listen to us. Head unit also has the possibility to connect the steering wheel controls. You have to get the correct interface for your car, but I have here a 4-focus SOC, and I have the interface inside. As you can see, you can control the volume up, volume down. You can change the source. Let me check here. On the Bluetooth, you can also get the track up, track down, everything gets to work like it had the factory radio. So now I will suggest you to use your headsets or to be listen this video in a good sound system so you can hear the difference. I'm starting with the balance full at the front, then I'm going to change it according to the different positions of the DSP to the location where it's for me is suitable, where I can have a front stage on the dash. I'll put a little bit higher the volume. Note when the sound is changing, the location of the sound is changing when I'm switching on the phone. And do it again.
Make you wanna move, dance and feel to the rescue. Here I
In this last part, when the sound is balancing between left and right, when I'm changing the different time alignments, you can notice the sound is switching off to the left or to the right. And when I put the last configuration on the left, when it says 90 something centimeters on the right and 40 something centimeters on the left, you notice there's a really balanced sound coming from the front, and this is why we need to use a DSP. There's other features still in this edge unit, so I'm going to show you the push to talk function. You can also, if you are using an iPhone, you will use it with Siri. On the Android phones, you will use it Cortana. If I push it here, I'm going to show what happens. How is the weather like today?
Currently in Ferreira do Zezer it's 15 degrees and partly cloudy. Today, it'll be partly cloudy with a forecasted high of 17 and a low of 7.
You can also ask it to call someone, or you can use it for Google Maps so it can help you driving. This is a safer and a smarter way to drive these days.